If you are unsure or have ever been unsure about what paper to choose for your printing, at last there's a fabulous solution from Permajet with this great free guide on how to select photo and fine art papers. Here are some highlights. One of the great ways of checking out your papers is with a test pack, and here are the ones that have been available for some time now from Permajet. Now here is just a small selection of what you may be faced with when looking at any range of papers. This is where this great new guide comes into play called The Knowledge, and as you can see it's all about paper selection and helping with your photography. And by the way, if Permajet paper isn't available in your country, pop over to permajet.com still anyway. It's free to download and you'll find it useful for all of your printing. So going over to permajet.com, currently on the home page there's a slider that comes up and you'll find the knowledge on this slider as it rolls through. Now if you don't see the link for any reason, don't worry, there's a link below in the description so you can go straight there from that link on this video. As you can see from the contents page, there's lots of information here, but it's all been broken down for you. There's some great tips talking about finishes, base tints, as well as the full range of papers. Now here are a couple of screen grabs of two of my favourite papers. Firstly, Smooth Pearl. Now some people will say that this is one of Permajet's cheapest papers, and that's true, but by no means is it a cheap paper. It's a high quality paper that I find ideal for general purpose professional photography printing, especially for weddings and portraiture. It has wonderful warm tones without too much influence from the base paper, and that produces some beautiful skin tones that's just right for your customers. A big plus for me is that this is one of the most consistent papers I've used coming out of the printer, so it's very rare I have to reprint an image. Obviously that's important with costs and your business. For something a bit more special, I do offer the fibre-based Barytas, but Smooth Pearl 280 really is the mainstay for my printing orders. Next is the beautiful Omega rag with a thick stock at 310. This I use for my abstract work where colour and subtlety of tones are so important. This is alongside that feel of a true fine art paper. This produces amazing sublime detail on such a beautifully textured paper. So the PDF is totally free and you just need to register and you can download the full information and start choosing the right paper for you. Following this, you may even want to look at ordering a test pack, and now you'll be able to assess with more detail each of your test prints and where you want to be with your printing. For me as an envoy and a trainer, it's going to prove very useful when assisting photographers with their printing and helping them to achieve better prints in the future. Remember, the knowledge link is below in the description if you want to go straight there, but please not before you subscribe, and do click the bell, and if you found this useful, do give it a like.